All ready to go for a good.
Okay.
This is already dry.
Yeah, and you've not been off it that long. And you just
15
have to
minutes.
do it dry to the touch, and then you could put on the second coat of finish paint on that, can't you? Or do you?
Correct, yeah,
Do you need to
I-
wait longer?
No, I just dry to touch and then roll back over it. Unless you had a real dark color on the wall, you're using like a dark color, and then you'd have to wait maybe a half hour to an hour so you won't pull the other coat off. If this is a light color and we're coated real good and it's drying out, we have a lot of ventilation in here, we have proper drying technique on the wall, so we're good to go. As soon as I get the rest of this rolled out and I can start in and do the final coat,
Okay.
all here within the next hour. So,
Yeah, that's cool.
yeah,
We've been here this morning, and Jim put one coat of primer on everything, and he's got 2 coats of finished paint on the ceiling, and he's already done the walls, and he's got the finish coat going on right now, and one more after this. So he's doing this whole little kitchen area. You know, it's kind of cut up, so there's not a whole lot of space, but
Right.
he'll get it all done today.
Today,
You
one
know,
day.
and you can get your project done in one day too if you got something small to do. Just make sure you do the steps like we're talking about. If you haven't watched all my videos on this series, you need to watch them.
Indeed.